Abusuya na wase na yensamu akwa bebiem emra GH report so na enra eni beto dwa se yemame AKOSUA SERWAA ye that LUMBA ni legal wife wa file appeal a chese ensem odi ka eto dwa way back 28 November no wo chese judgment na course ewo high court no ankoyi amfama no a ebeka se ansete na wo etino wo wramu awako pre appeal na abusua eho document no aba betodwa na lawyer question aba bonten edi enchemu bi aba ana o chese first one high court eni wo hwese de enimesi fakoye document ahodo a ye maame AKOSUA SERWAA and the lawyers file ye fa ne marriage certificate ho no na enhyeda enye valid sa na yirika entie sa enkomode wi a na yaba appeal ye maame AKOSUA SERWAA ekwakoye yentie lawyer question.
To be honest to the judge and everybody, everybody who is in support of maybe Odo Bronii, and in all fairness, judge and try as much as possible. Sanka, AKOSUA SERWAA binya marriage certificate no diaba. Is if you are many workers say one, Yama weti phone tea, didn't ye. But there's no marriage certificate anywhere. I'm telling you on authority.
There's no marriage
document no more coin. One marriage certificate biama. Do you get it? What they brought, no, to say one casa, where to try screenshot to be in as if for no phone. So, what may I say? There no crown, and no crown scan copies now, or more the buyer, no. That two different things all together.
Yeah.
And your certificate, no, but document nanka bebwa mono. What I say? Nipa no signing say. Okay, for me anyway, or my war or Germany, no. Say you could film internal signature. After 1 month, you have more opportunities, so I'm going for original document. Almost the similar thing by. I know so, and you could film internal was sign you. Aha, wow, this one, Emmanuel Mensa. Tonight, just was them no cry. Oh, and now, Judge and Cassette. So, what they could film internal by. Kofi mintane bae ana Emmanuel Mensa na aba wa be say wa asem no kura na scan copies what me I say because enemre obi abetumi akọ internet no so no wa Photoshop wa dan document ni we ni na say what the fan say Photoshop kura na me mam opportunity nka ense mo ye notarization do you get it even though mu ni marriage certificate no but kakra na mo nya aba no Kame mwa akwenya se mra hwehwe enya Ghana nko all over the world so would the document be across one country even original no cry no you still have to notarize it yes endorse the amount now be proper document or the other way lawyers in name and the judge no share that more 1 month to say oh even marriage certificate no cry na muni bia new original no krana bit and pieces na mo no munko yesa notarization no enfamra ena no so amba is if you had to send na wo church mo no where legal matters amount for and legal matters as and so they use emotions and sentiment and then they will be insulting everybody anyhow me minim say wo a copy of the document I think to be fair inka fatu okay, FM page, you know. Wow. And our platform so now yes, just put it there. And our story, fair story, I obey, you know. For judgment, you know, at all. Now, fans say, oh, US, UK, and Germany in particular, and Canada.
I think I can do that.
Obia ready judgment.
Abusuya, enti lawyer question, and I decide enchimuni ebaya na oche say before say asem yebe bu asem ni bibia no, ene ohwa papa shi ene lawyer kusi ye maame AKOSUA SERWAA entourage no certificate omde koye no na enhyeda enye valid sa eno ensem a lawyer question echim hono a ene me no kase no because of say ye maame AKOSUA SERWAA so gidi mapa say ne bibia genuine nti wa file appeal na ye betua videos awodo no so na ye ni kan ko hwe appeal no ho nsensem na ye betua so decide on your screens no and the first part of the appeal no eno ene daso kama ene wo hwa abusuapani Kofi Usu ni din esemu dendenden a enya asem keto a wo hwe ni location anase na address na eye Abuakwa Kumase Eho ena abusuapani Kofi wusu etwere. Then Priscilla Ofori eno aka Odo Bronii iti omo a yede omo ekowuram na ye monso atoto omano no eno nso eno no ono nso ewo Accra. Then Transitions Funeral Home iti chese enipa 3 ena yetimi edomako court na appeal no etimi akoso honum iti wehwa defendant no omo nso ede na ho na o say notice of appeal o kan ya omo say notice of appeal. Please take note that the plaintiff hereby aggrieved and dissatisfied with the judgments of the High Court, Kumasi, more particularly stated herein and contained in the judgment of Leadership Justice Dorinda Smith Atta, Setting 2025, do hereby appeal to the courts, appeal against the decision upon the grounds set out in paragraph 3 and hearing of the appeal seek to relief set out in paragraph 4. It's we lawyer for bro for no yen twa na yi ti yen ko school Accra. Was the plaintiff further states that the name and address of the service with the jurisdiction of the person directly affected by the appeal are those set out in paragraph 5. Part of the judgment of trial court complain of 1. The whole of the judgment into omoche say judgment ni nyina entimi ansete well with them. Was it the whole of the judgment of the High Court Kumasi dated 28th day of November 2025. Grounds of appeal 1. Was it the High Court when it heard that the marriage certificate exhibit B1 and B2 was not admissible per se. The court heard when it held that section 161 of the Evidence Act in condition precedent for putting weight on admitted document. Yentwa so na makacho se ebusuane ye ko school kakra e wo hanom. Then oba ase hanso a omo se the court and when it heard zumi kakra that the evidence addressed by the defendant was more credible than that of the evidence of the plaintiff. Additional grounds will be filed upon receipt of the records of appeal. Reliefs sought from the court of appeal that the whole judgment of the court be set aside and judgment be entered in favor of the plaintiff. Wow. The was it that the whole judgment of the High Court be set aside. Judgment High Court no was it yen put it aside yen tontwene baby was it be put aside and judgment be entered in favor of the plaintiff. The plaintiff ne ye mama AKOSUA SERWAA. Now say persons directly affected by the appeal. 1. ABUSUAPANIN TUPAC Ebuakwa Kumasi. 2. Priscilla Ofori aka Odo Bronii, Transitions Funeral Home, Enterprise Funeral Services, Hacho, Asori Junction. Basically, this whole appeal ni no ne ye mame AKOSUA SERWAA ACK, and they said the whole judgment so High Court no, it didn't sit well with them. Into no, I was say otimuafo for better dwam appeal court no. Sa judgment buy Accra High Court ni want to twene onfanto baby na afi no omunwam na omunni asem no omudi asem na omusere se ebeya bibia entim engo through emfama ye maame AKOSUA SERWAA sanse ni bibia valid honom eti eno the whole show ensem ni nyina de wom no na yensia na yenkotie ene foto bi a vim lady de ama team legal wives no esanse abusua de wi ne ma sifa ekono wo se se mo ahwe no mo anije no ensusu anye mo ante so na mo yema ye di etwi street ye boda wuro ye dede ni ade a abusua enema kwakoje kekeleke amenema kwakoye samte ko jese edi amamu appeal court nti munhwe ye yenkotie ensem a vim lady erbeto abonten
Team legal wives, I think some way bia eye. Sa fans na moje no. Mo mama lawyers eduma and ding. If indeed mo ye serious about appeal no, se mo be pushi appeal na kwa kosi conclusion na ebe ha mo ankasa mo case, especially said am printing marriage certificate DJ fans. These are issues that have already been dealt with High Court. Ye carry enti mremo so yasi wa wodo wasembeba court no. Wona mrane show so prove you case. Into wa we plaintiff a wona ode asem no court no. Mrane she say wo and also prove case. Na saa issue about marriage certificate, which is the anonymous main issue, not him legal wives, no more assembly so. That issue has already been dealt with by High Court. Na said the High Court need the assembly when in Jim now be a appeal, and your law, any idea appeal, and your fancy a general bonting. Say one share ya dear mo yamba mo ye that lawyer never court, research a lawyer na ye, a juma why or the beko court, bones and na judge in the post channel. Na kwa different because my catch him that as a judges no or more share a friends and law no keke ya show conduct in the especially when team legal wife or supporters attack judge back on issue na judge ni deal and has nothing to do with the osika and our onisika attended a near some court over comment session now the emotions bekasa a new court Ghana the only issue kasa ye kan etofoma pai any the judge na kano the judge na akano is the operating issue in do be dia terms of akotu Odo Bronii afifie ho no mo East Legona and the Odo one no don wira ebi wo what the judge has stated say Odo Bronii your wife that is the controlling issue what the judge has said say AKOSUA SERWAA your wife that is the controlling issue ti munyina mo your wife de obi antumi nkotu obi emfifie Obi asu to me go to obi funu enkosie. That will be against the law. In fact, when you say a criminal law no, ye wo offense e cheso kotu funu a offense. Ye becho. But the American say already team legal wife for mo case. Sa no Odo Bronii wo case, but mo case na mpese mo fight no. And no so be appeal. Mo man nye easy mamo lawyer senka this time no lawyer nenya peace of mind no mo dey research ni ade no mo pen crofo say copyright issue be fight here no say you will no be fight here no but mo ye ni say wasem bedu ko judges no so mo ye nipa omo ne na te Ghana omo nim de ekoso mo hwe TV enti judges na omo ye say mo hwe no e wo mo say mremu no say ya ma judges soaye ne de omo di a pledge de omo si akonwa so a you see you will deliver justice without fear or favor. But the same legal principle and philosophy in such say judges take other things into consideration no more they see na and they say no now some the fans say na hu ya ye pamocho manson ye twene court ye twene abonten manson ye twene court ye twene abonten me pamocho team legal wife mo be ya na bi a wan hwa 5 6 7 years later na mama me AKOSUA say form she has a case inti e wo se mo guide no and yes, all the more bedgin of fans and back, we say million chasso. But then they cook massy, and the whole thing has now turned into some sort of bullying. As some bully the other side. I don't think that is fair. I don't think that is fair. And now, Mwankasa, it is not fair to you and your case. Some person will pursue court the end. Now, was a woman. Wasem ye there was so much judges nya ho adwen pa ansa na o file kra koto court nanim inti time I will file bedu court nanim no now o case no it's easy for the judges to take your case. It's easy for the judges to look at your case with fresh set of eyes because kwa appeal ye ko examine evidence na wo di kind of call high court na no na court no esan be hwehwem won some evidence wo fro bi ansan ko Inti mo comprehensive certificate na mo de kire se mo pese mo pese mo bully court no mo pese mo kire it's not good and no saa de no be ye no in law ye no in appeal then the court to examine all the record so ho mo ma mo case nye de o ya mana bro so ama ya ka say ho court say mo ye yire Odo Bronii so ye yire we is a win-win case. It's a win-win case. But mo ya na mo yes ase mo pese mo bully obi a onye team legal wife na enye fair. And enye fair to mo ankasa mo appeal na mo koye no. There's no amount of bullying. And e betimi change the court na kan. The only thing e betimi asesa sa asem na high court e okuma se ne kan ye no is appeal. Appealer court beji atum because look there are cases ma besia te se ma me AKOSUA ankasa atweman so wo court obi ante wan se Pokuya versus Kwache. Obi ante ma menasem enso oni ni kru twen high court o wini case no be ma na so ante ase oni no ko twen court of appeal ma meni lose case no o san de ko supreme court o lose case no but obi ante Aishetu versus Alaji Dwamena ono so ni kru ne yire no ma aka atwen case no train or train from High Court, the Court of Appeal, the Supreme Court, what train court edi. Obia mayor fans. There are cases, these are cases that have gone to Supreme Court on your High Court. Nti se mu de High Court pe. Na sa oye sa wo de be ye hunhuna, wo de be ye we fans dia. Send the wrong signal to the judges, wrong signal to the courts. One your case ni bedru ho no e form asay. E form aye true. Nti yes, I'm careful. But we are only here see a bit shire law. No say nyina yemfentua a futu se court kasa. Enye by force on the court be ya adwen. Only court na nya adwen a obetimi akọ appeal. Nti na ya yenhyehyɛ say o de wasem ko circuit court. Na ye ka na on court na nya adwen a court na ndi amawa o de court high court. High court di na we ndi amawa o de court court of appeal. Court of appeal ka na wendi amawa utumi de call Supreme Court. In fact, Supreme Court okromo kan wasem na wonya happier utumi de call for review the same Supreme Court no yes san judges so na ye the judges ni bi aka ho na o matena case no so enye fans na ye deje
usonti vim lady na wote se wo kasa e wo hodom no me se aye critical emu aye hu pa na yemfi the LUMBA sansam no so na yemwa mu e wo abadop na abadop e restaurant na abusua ababa wabi aye na de bia ma abadopu so dika ni nyina ne se ababa woi order seafood edifree abadop restaurant na sika wotu aye no eye 2.5 wo se chese aduane seafood ne baaye no na enkoye na asanyema hyeda empeke sa ewo aduane ne ho etwodi na bufuo ene ade ekọ abadop so a enonam so ama abadop aba media no so a wo so na abusua yenkoy na ngohwe abadop ene na nimpa ne sun enya asem ketwa yenkohwe mra.
Well, why don't you call me? My number is on social media. My personal number is on social media. Call me. I don't understand. It can never be right with me. I can never understand. I can never understand this. Mama. Ma. Mistake me and I be temple and the winner back to a million for girl be a posted man. No girl be suited any man. No one control what I say. Well, please come to my page. Come in my mind. I will give you a lot. Because your food portions are very small. They don't even taste good. The panel tell the man they want to control comment section and say before the panel also to make the man put them self by me to the man. I mean it's never we are come see on the solo to the man. Be your body, be your shame. You.
SS fiti cantonment. SS fiti cantonment. SS fiti cantonment.
Nti abadop na wote se ne wokekemu ho no an ya aduane de oboka bie restaurant na obi beto na koye kekeleke koye ze ho something which is that ya na emu ya pa ti e besre se babia uwo bia na wache wadwene ene apiwa ye mame akoso asewa eko ensema hodo a chese lawyers abechirichiri mu exhibit A exhibit B exhibit C exhibit Q nyina ne nyina ba ye besre obaso ache wadwene ewo ase horo na bibia entimi enkoye ha GH report. Yes, Abisha.